with Layle by Mail, and I am excited to show you one of my brand new Layle by Mail project kits. This one is called the Sunny Days of Summer, and it is a 6x8 pocket page album using the Simple Stories Sunshine and Blue Skies collection. So let's take a look at the project, and then we'll take a look at the kit and what is included. As always, the Layle by Mail project kits include the color step-by-step instructions. So you have everything that you need to make the project as I made it. If you'd like to follow along, or you can also kind of go out on your own and do whatever you'd like with the contents of the kit. All right, excuse me. First off, you guys, I know I said I'd show you the kit later, but I just have to show you this. This is the brand new Simple Stories Robin's Egg Snap Binder, and the color is so gorgeous. It is so hard to get a good depiction of that color on video or on camera. It is just beautiful. It is the nicest, softest blue that is just perfect for summer. So we've got lots of things that we'll do on the cover. The kit includes an exclusive cut, actually two exclusive cut files, or I shouldn't say cut files, I should say little die cuts that I made for the kit. Anyhow, so as we go through, you will see really great icons, great summer colors, the pinks and the blues. The yellow really makes things pop. Anywhere in my project where you see the whites, that is where you will put your photos. And this one has room, guys, I can't believe it, more than 70 photos. So I really concentrated on this one because I know summer, you have lots going on, and there's usually a lot that you want to document. So room for tons and tons of photos. As you can see as I'm flipping through, lots of interactive elements. That pocket she'll make, you can tuck photos in there, also on the back side. But you'll see there's a really good mix of kind of florals, and I love the lemons in this collection. So two little tags that you can pull out, add photos to and journaling to if you'd like. Another pocket there, room for more photos. Lots of kind of fun in the sun sayings and sentiments. Really fun chipboard too that we'll take a look at. Some layering, so if you can kind of see that there. We have a layered floral on top. Lots of folds. This little guy is really fun, where it's just flipping up and flipping up and flipping up, so you have room for more and more and more photos. In flips, out flips, up flips, down flips. The lemons are so fun too. So you're just getting here, as I flip through, a really good feel for the completed project. As I said, room for 70 plus photos. So lots of room to record all of your fun summer memories. All right, so that is the project that the kit makes. Now let's take a look at the contents of the kit. I already showed you the album. Now with that snap album, that already includes 8 pages in there, 3 craft dividers, and 10 pocket pages. So that comes, actually you can't really see, but it comes chock full of things already in it. Those albums are really great to work with. The color step-by-step instructions, that you have 2 die cuts here, so you can kind of go for a layered effect on the cover. And then, as we really dig in, so we have the 4x6 stickers. There are 183 stickers in that package, so tons of photos, or excuse me, not tons of photos, tons of stickers, and I love using those in those pocket page albums because there are so many and you can do so many things with them. Oh, I always tell myself that I want to remember to cut that before the video, and I forgot, so let me just cut that really quick while we take a look at the papers in the 6x8 pad. So the 6x8 pads include 24 papers, so 12 sheets each of 2 different designs. You can see that those are also double-sided, so lots and lots of great pattern to work with in that. These snap cards, 48 pieces. So you have 3x4 cards, 4x4 cards, 6x4 cards, and 2x2 cards. So lots of different cards there, great for the pocket pages. The chipboard stickers, 23 of those. One little tiny piece of baker's twine that we'll use for a little effect. The 12x12 sticker sheet. And then 2 different 12x12 papers, because we're using those 12x12 papers for the cover. All right, there you have it. That's the Sunny Days of Summer Layle by Mail project kit. You'll see later in the video, or actually in the kind of content words part of the video, all of the information you need for ordering. You can also go to Layle by Mail, LAYLEBYMAIL.com for more information. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.